Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to auto cut video clips in CapCut PC. So I will give you a step by step guideline in this video. I hope you guys watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So how we can split a video or a clip. So first of all, we need to import a video. So we can choose any video from that place. So let's go with this one. Let's drag it down in the panel, and then once we complete it, just remove the text, and now you can see this is our video and this is our video editor section. So I am going to split it into video versions, like different background, and it will be different split. So here I am going to click on the right button on mouse. As I click over here, now you will get bunch of option over here. There you can see we have edit, copy, cut, copy attribute, delete, and many more. So here we need to select only split scenes. This is a totally free. So if you are using CapCut free version, then you are allowed to use this one as well. So just click over here. Once you click over here, it will take a while to splitting scenes from different background. So now it will take a while, then we will eventually get that result. In fact, once they completed it, you need to find it where the scene has split. So let's zoom it out. So as you can see here, they split our video clip. So the process is really simple. Differently, you just need to do this kind of a way, and just paste it your video, and then again click on the select the video clip, then click on split scene. So the process is really simple. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.